We've had people call or send messages and say, how could you call a product Thieves? But they didn't know the story. Gary was always into history. He went to the British Museum. He went down in the archives and was just thumbing through books, and he said things kept coming up about the plague.
There was this group of thieves that were able to go into the houses where people had died of the plague.
According to legends, the thieves would use botanicals, essences, to protect themselves. So that really made him curious. He was just driven to do research. And his whole thing was about what the essential oils could do to help someone else. And so Thieves began to take on a life of its own. Thieves lozenges, toothpaste, and it evolved into the household cleaner. He was looking at how he could make life better.
Thieves is an incredible blend. It has rosemary, lemon, cinnamon, clove, and Eucalyptus radiata. And we needed to find dedicated partner farms that really wanted the best quality possible.
We manage about 4,000 acres of smallholder farmers where we procure our raw materials from cinnamon to cloves. Harvesting cloves is a manual job. Our farmers are really good climbers and they know what to do. We are the first company in Sri Lanka to export organic essential oils. It's not only about being pesticide-free, it's about traceability and sustainability as well. We have Young Living specifications which are really strict, and before it even leaves our door, all these parameters are tested.
The lemon farm, we've been working with Trapiano. They have beautiful agricultural practices. Their greenhouse was impeccably clean. There's no GMOs. They take such care with the new trees and the cover crop and the regenerative agriculture. And then they have a separate facility where they extract the essential oils. And then just like Young Living's farms, they have an on-site laboratory.
Rosemary is endemic to Morocco. The pressure on wildcrafted rosemary is huge. It's vanishing progressively. So when we started this about 7 years ago, we decided to farm everything that's wild and jeopardized. We are proud to work with Young Living. We share some values. Everything is completely natural. We don't use any additives, fertilizers. We have 2 plants, 1 distillation, 1 extraction. Quality for us is a really important matter because that's the way to make a difference.
We farm a number of different oils, including eucalyptus.
What helps to give consistency to quality is we've got agronomists, and then they will go out and teach our growers our philosophy, how to do regenerative farming.
They pick out by hand any impurities to ensure that only the best oil arrives.
For me, there's nothing more important than seed to seal, in the fact there's nothing more important than knowing what you're buying.
I love Thieves, and I also love the impact that it has globally.
We provide fair wages, fair working hours. We carry out special social programs such as providing scholarships.
We have a majority of women working here. They are paid on their own bank account, which means that it's their money.
الحمد لله كنجيو وحنا فرحانين بخدمتنا كما كتشوف كلشي على عينيكم. كيخدم على راسو ما كيحتاجش انه يقول لشي واحد عطيني ولا هذا.
In Argentina, I was really impressed that they care so much about the waterways, everything in their area, and then their massive protected forest.
We don't buy the oil from our growers, rather we sell it on their behalf, so they'll make 3 to 4 times the minimum wage.
If you buy even 2 or 3 bottles, you must remember that you're changing our lives.
With every purchase of Thieves blends or product, now you can really see the massive impact that you're making on communities all over the world. If Gary had a chance to visit all of these farms, I know he would be blown away and so touched because it's exactly our standards, but not just the quality standard, but it's the passion that all of these individuals and farms feel towards the local community, the plants, giving back to nature, not because you have to, because you want to leave something behind. You really want to make an impact.
To the end user, thank you for what you're doing.
I can see how many people are impacted from the farmers all the way to the consumer.